I can't teach him. I can't tell him all my secrets. Can't tell him everything.
How long you been pressure washing, bro? When did you start pressure washing?
Right after, actually, 81.
81.
Yes.
I was 6 years old. 81. How are things different now versus how they were?
Technology.
Technology?
Yes.
Elaborate a little bit. Give me an example.
There was no mention of soft wash.
So you jumped from 81 all the way to soft wash? So how did it evolve though? Like what, did you see like gradual change? Was it immediate change? Or was it just?
It was a gradual change. When I started, there could have been maybe 3 people or 3 companies that were supplying the industrial bleach that we use, and they were spread out around the city, so it wasn't convenient. So the convenient thing to do was to go to the stores and buy gallons of bleach.
Like Home Depot or Lowe's or something?
Grocery store.
Grocery store.
Yes.
So pressure washing guys or companies would go to the local grocery stores in their community.
Yes.
And buy bleach.
Yes.
Wow. What was the concentration or percentage?
Always 5 1/4.
5 1/4%.
Right.
So there was nothing or no such thing as 12.5% bleach back then.
It was, but in a city of the size of Atlanta, you might have had one company on the north side, one company on the south side, and one company on the east side.
Dang. So they kind of had it monopolized based on their area.
Area.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
The technology of surface cleaners wasn't there because basically people took the lawnmower bodies, took lawnmowers and made surface cleaners.
Oh my goodness. You serious, bro?
Yes.
So they took the lawnmower.
Took the motor off.
Took the motor off the lawnmower.
Used the deck.
Okay.
And put wands under it.
And made surface cleaners out of an old lawnmower.
Yes. And then from that, it went to a motorized system where the motor turned the wands, but if you didn't have a high velocity machine, a high turnout machine, you still, was defeating the purpose.
So you're speaking in terms of water flow.
Water flow.
Velocity.
Exactly.
Okay.
GPM.
GPS. Gallons per minute. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
And there was no hose repairs. Everything was more expensive because the availability.
Okay. So now you can pretty much
anything online.
Get anything online.
Anything online.
Yeah. Even the actual
machines itself.
Machines, even bleach. I'm talking chemicals. You can go online and get chemicals.
Yes. But when I started, there was no online.
There was no online.
Online was a telephone call.
Dial up. You had the little rotary phone.
Yes.
And I got you. At any rate, we're getting ready to jump on this house right here, driveway. And we'll chime in with y'all later on. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Got great information for y'all. Power Washing Pro GA. Out.
Oh, one other thing.
Say it got something else.
The aircraft.
Turn right onto Forest Overlook
Next
Trail
time we'll talk about the aircraft.
Then the destination is on your right.
Aluminum extensions.
Okay, aircraft aluminum extensions. That's the next subject. Peace.